Need to reset your H2O wireless voicemail password? It's crucial for securing your messages. As of October 2025, the primary method is often through customer support, but self-service options are evolving. Let's break down the process. The most reliable methods are through the H2O wireless app or via customer support using the IVR system. Text-based resets are generally not supported. Remember, H2O Wireless operates on Verizon's network, and procedures can change, so always check their website or app for the latest instructions. Enhanced security measures, like multi-factor authentication in the mobile app, are becoming more common to prevent unauthorized resets. Default passwords are often the last 4 digits of your phone number, or 1234. So changing it is vital. The H2O Wireless app provides a straightforward way to reset your voicemail password on both iOS and Android devices. First, download the H2O Wireless app from your App Store. Next, log into your account within the app. Navigate to the voicemail settings section. Select the Reset Password option. If the app method doesn't work, you can use the interactive voice response system as an alternative. There are some differences depending on your device type. Android users can benefit from native carrier apps, though the H2O app is compatible as well. Regardless of your device, follow these password tips for security.